welcome to Sushi's Mini World. I know Halloween's around the corner, but I decided to get a head start. Today we're going to be making a wreath for your doorstep. Let's get started. Pick some supplies from the dollar store, and this is what it is. Some colored mesh tubes, an owl, a ruler, a pipe cleaner, and a scissor. Now, once you get all of your supplies, you're ready to start with your craft. First step is to cut the pipe cleaner in half. Then, take one of the pieces and make that into a V. Like this. The next step is to get a ruler and then put your mesh tube on the first line. If you have a big ruler, you can use that, but since I only have a small ruler which contains 12 inches, I'm going to just move the mesh tube around like this. Here is 28 inches. I'm going to use my scissors and cut the mesh tube right here. I'm going to do this to all my other mesh tubes. I cut 4 colored mesh tubes that are about 28 inches. Watch my video carefully to make a bow. If you don't understand, replay the video. Don't stress out to make a perfect bow. Imperfection is the key to make a beautiful wreath. Now, we are going to keep our bow flat on the ground. We are going to take our old frame and make sure we're only going to use these 2 lines. Then pull this inside and tie it together. Now, I got another bow. I'm going to attach it to my wreath like the last one. Remember, we're only using this line and this line. Now that I finished my 2 bows, I can put my owl and start deciding where to place it. After that, I'm going to fill up all of these other spaces with more bows. Woo! After 2 days of gluing and pasting, my mom and I finally finished adding all the bows and putting our owl down. Now, our final step is to add some little cute owls. Wow, this wreath looks so cool. I'm ready to hang it on my door. Look at how my house looks like once I add this wreath. It looks so wonderful. I can't wait to show it to my neighbors. I hope you had an awesome time watching my videos. And please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, and see you next time.